Lauren's mother Turquoise Miami confirmed the sad news via Instagram, while it appears Fetty acknowledged the tragedy during his Rolling Loud performance. Fetty Wap's daughter Lauren Maxwell has sadly died at just 4 years old. The 30-year-old rapper shared the little girl with ex-Turquoise Miami, who confirmed the tragic news via Instagram on Sunday, August 1st. "This is my amazing, beautiful, funny, vibrant, loving, talented, smart and hard-headed Princess Mermaid Aquarius," Lauren's mother began, sharing a short-looped video of her smiling and laughing in a pool. Lauren looked so sweet as she radiated warmth in the clip, wearing an adorable pink swimsuit with matching pink beads in her braids. If you see this post scrolling by with her comment, or just say to yourself "I love you Lauren because they say that souls can feel your love #RIP, she signed off, with a broken heart emoji. The influencer and ex-girlfriend of Fetty archived any previous posts on her page, changing her bio to inform her followers she will not be responding to DMs at this time. The 4-year-old was born to Fetty, née Willie Jr. Maxwell, and ex-girlfriend Turquoise on February 7, 2017. No cause of death has been stated at this time. However, Hollywood Life has reached out to representatives for the rapper for a statement. Fetty himself appeared to acknowledge the news after his Rolling Loud Music Festival performance on Sunday evening in Miami, Florida. "Lolo Daddy did that S for you last night baby girl," he posted to his Instagram story. During his set, the 679 rapper also paid tribute to the late Lauren. Related gallery. Saddest deaths of 2020, pics. The Paterson, New Jersey native is also dad to 6 other children: Aiden, 10, with Ariel Reese, Xaviera, 6, and I, 3 with Leslie Ziona, Kari, 5, with Masika Kalisha, Amani, 5, with Exelena, and Alea Grace, 3, with Alexis Sky. Just last year, Fetty also lost his younger brother. "Stop asking me am I okay, no TF I'm not okay," he said on social media after the death of his sibling, who he often referred to as a twin. "I done lost so many and that S, was almost starting to feel normal, but lil brother man it feel like 2017 all over again this same feeling," he also penned, concluding, "I know you slogan don't cry for me slide for me I just don't know what I'ma tell my nephew when he ask me why I ain't make sure you was okay."